How to use Spectrum Xumo Remote. In this video, I'll show you how to use Spectrum Xumo Remote. So, to get started, go ahead and power on. So press the power button, circle with a line at the top to turn on your Xumo Stream Box or TV. And then after that, pair the remote to remove the plastic tab on the back if it's new, and then point the remote at the Sumo Stream box and follow the on-screen pairing instructions. If another remote is already paired, unpair it first. And then after that, use the arrow keys, so up, down, left, and right to move through menus and channels. And then press OK to select and confirm a choice. And then after that, press the home button to return you to the main Sumo menu, and press the guide button, and this will open the live TV guide for Spectrum channels. Now lastly, use the voice control. So press and hold the microphone button to use voice commands. So for example, say open Netflix or go to ESPN YouTube. And that is how you can basically use Spectrum Xumo Remote.